So this is my outfit of today. I have on the headband from Rainbow and the bracelet matches it. And this bracelet, second bracelet, comes from Shein. This from Shein. The dress is a thrift store dress. The shoes, the shoes come from Walmart. And this is the OOTD. Let me show my shoes again. Okay? Oh, the lipstick came from Shein. The hair I got from AliExpress. Excuse me. Hello. Okay, guys, I'm at the park called Camden Park, and this park is very new. They're introducing the new facilities and the activities they have going on here. So they have different, this is a map of different areas in which you can be. Like, this park is so nice. It's very nice. They have the outdoor patio sets, very nice. And the park has a lot of kids in it, so I'm not going to go all around it because I don't want to show anyone's child. But here you see a ping pong table. That's nice to have an outdoor ping pong table. Really nice. And then, as I walked further, I saw this ice shave snow cone truck, which is not open, but I'm quite sure this weekend it'll probably be open. And this game table here, I don't know what kind of table this is, but it's nice. I like it. I did see some kids playing with it, but I can't show them, so we're going to move on down to, this is actually a piano. An outdoor piano. Look how cool, guys. Very nice. Very nice.
Because if it comes open, we're going to be responsible. If you want to take a minute and review the facility penalty.
I'm back at home. An introvert back at home. Hey, y'all. Oh, I'm tired. I'm so tired. So, I did a lot of stuff. I went to the park, and I had an amazing time. Nice park. My camera died. My phone died, so I didn't have enough whatever. But, anywho, I'm back. And I ate my lipstick off. But I'm back. So I'm hungry. I've been gone all morning. I went to the park. I walked around the park. I saw a lot of stuff. Hello, hi. So, guys, I look cute today. Got my wig on. This is another hair piece. I look so. Anyway, I have a Presto electric skin. Oh, I look cute today. I look like a Halle Berry poster. So, I have some chicken here. I had bought from H-E-B the other day. So I'm going to cook me some chicken. So let me open this. I thought this thing just come out the box already together, but it doesn't. It comes with 4 with these little screws here. You have to put these black holders on, pot holders or something on, whatever you call them. But I thought they already came together, so you're supposed to do like this. I'm assuming, oh, this way. Oh, you go this way. Oh, there it is. And then it came with all this noise. This came with this electric cord you put right here. You plug in right here. Let me show y'all. You plug the cord in right here. Oh, the cord is not. See here. The cord comes with a little band around it. So look. You can hear it steaming and sizzling. I like it so far. I like it. Okay, come through, presto. So, now that my chicken is ready, I can eat. Because I don't know if I'm going to make vegetables or not, because I'm really, really hungry. But I know I have some chicken, so let me show you what I got. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 6 wings here. So I'm going to put 3 on my plate. Maybe I think I'll do 4. They're really good. So these are my 4 wings I'm going to eat. And I kind of want some of this Italian dressing on it. So I'm going to put some Italian dressing on my wings. And this is my dinner. Lunch. No, dinner. This is my dinner for today. Okay. Look at that. That's pretty.